You do not need to spend a single dollar to start making money with AI. Here is the exact system. Let that sink in for a second. Because if you have been spending money on expensive AI subscriptions, paid courses, and premium tools, and you are still not making consistent income online, the problem was never your budget. The problem was never having a clear system for turning free tools into real money. Most people approach AI income backwards. They think they need to spend money to make money. So they sign up for every premium tool they can find, stack up hundreds of dollars in monthly subscriptions, and then wonder why the income never comes. The truth is, the free tiers of the most powerful AI tools available today are more than enough to build a genuine income stream from zero. Everything I'm about to show you costs absolutely nothing to start. This video is for anyone who wants to build real AI income but does not want to or cannot spend money on tools before that income exists. By the end of this video, you will have a complete free AI toolkit and a clear understanding of exactly how each tool generates money, so you can start implementing today with zero upfront investment. One thing before we dive in, stay with me until tool number 5. It is the free tool that most people scroll right past without realizing it is sitting on one of the most powerful income opportunities on this entire list. I have saved it for the middle of this video intentionally because the context from tools 1 through 4 makes it significantly more valuable when you understand how they all connect. Let's get into it. Tool number 1, Claude AI Free Tier. Claude AI is an artificial intelligence writing and thinking tool that writes scripts, builds business strategies, creates course content, and produces professional copy at a level that matches most human professionals. Here is how the free tier generates income. The free version of Claude gives you access to genuine AI intelligence that can write a complete YouTube video script in under 2 minutes, produce a full email sequence in under 10 minutes, and build an entire course curriculum in a single session. Freelancers are using the free tier to take on writing clients paying $300 to $500 per project. Content creators are using it to produce scripts for faceless YouTube channels that monetize through ad revenue and affiliate commissions. The free tier includes access to Claude Sonnet with a daily usage limit that is more than sufficient for producing 5 to 10 pieces of content per day. Specific income example. A freelance writer using Claude Free Tier to produce blog content for small business clients charges $250 per article. Producing 3 articles per day using Claude generates $750 per day from a tool that costs nothing. Tool number 2, Canva Free Tier. Canva is a graphic design platform that produces professional thumbnails, lead magnets, social media graphics, ebooks, and brand assets with no design experience required. Here is how the free tier generates income. Digital products built entirely in Canva are selling on Etsy, Gumroad, and Creative Market every single day. Canva Free Tier includes hundreds of professional templates for everything from social media graphics to full ebook layouts. Content creators use it to build lead magnets that grow email lists, which convert into course and affiliate income. Freelance designers charge clients $300 to $1,000 for brand packages built almost entirely inside Canva. The free tier includes access to hundreds of templates, basic design tools, and export capabilities that cover everything a beginner income creator needs. Specific income example. A digital product seller on Etsy builds printable planner templates using Canva Free Tier and prices them at $7 each. Selling 15 templates per day generates over $100 per day from a completely passive digital product that required one afternoon to create. Tool number 3, CapCut Free. CapCut is a professional video editing application that produces broadcast quality short form and long form video content with AI powered features including auto captions, background removal, and beat sync completely free. Here is how the free tier generates income. Short form content creators use CapCut to edit TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts that monetize through the creator funds and brand deals on each platform. Freelance video editors use CapCut to deliver client projects at a professional standard without any paid software. Faceless YouTube channel operators use CapCut to assemble complete videos from stock footage and AI voiceover at zero editing cost. The free tier includes unlimited video exports, AI auto caption generation, a full library of transitions and effects, and access to a royalty-free music library. Specific income example. A short-form content creator posting 3 CapCut edited videos per day across TikTok and Instagram Reels grows to 50,000 followers within 90 days and earns between $1,000 and $3,000 per month from platform creator funds before adding brand deals on top. Tool number 4, ChatGPT Free Tier. ChatGPT is an AI content generation tool that produces social media captions, video scripts, marketing copy, product descriptions, and content ideas across virtually every format and niche. Here is how the free tier generates income. Social media managers use ChatGPT Free to produce caption packages for clients, paying $500 to $2,000 per month for content management. E-commerce sellers use it to write product descriptions that increase conversion rates on their stores. Affiliate marketers use it to produce review content and comparison articles that rank in search engines and generate passive commission income. The free tier includes access to GPT-4o with daily usage limits sufficient for producing 20 to 30 pieces of content per day. Specific income example. A social media manager using ChatGPT Free to manage content for 5 small business clients, charging $500 per month per client, generates $2,500 per month from a tool that costs absolutely nothing. Before we get to tool number 5, I want to make sure you are paying attention because this next one is the tool that consistently surprises people the most. Tool number 5 is completely free, more powerful than most people realize, and sitting right inside a platform you almost certainly already use every single day. Do not skip ahead. Tool number 5, Google Gemini. Google Gemini is an AI research, content planning, and SEO keyword research tool built directly into Google's ecosystem that is completely free to use with a Google account. Here is why this is the most overlooked income tool on this entire list. Google Gemini does not just answer questions. It researches topics in depth, identifies high-value keywords with genuine search volume, builds complete content strategies, analyzes competitor content, and produces SEO-optimized outlines that rank in Google search. The income opportunity is enormous because SEO traffic is the highest converting free traffic available online, and Gemini makes SEO strategy accessible to anyone with a Google account. Content creators use Gemini to identify exactly what their target audience is searching for, build content around those searches, and generate affiliate and ad income from organic Google traffic that compounds over time. Niche website builders use Gemini to research and outline entire content libraries that generate passive income through affiliate commissions for years after the content is published. The free tier includes full access to Gemini advanced capabilities through Google One trial and ongoing free access to Gemini Standard, which covers the majority of research and content planning needs. Specific income example. A niche website builder uses Google Gemini to research and outline 100 SEO optimized articles for a personal finance website. Those articles generate affiliate commissions from financial product referrals averaging $2,000 to $5,000 per month in passive income 12 months after publishing. The research tool that built the entire content strategy cost $0. Tool number 6. Pika Labs Free Tier. Pika Labs is an AI video generation platform that creates short cinematic video clips from text prompts completely free on the entry tier. Here is how the free tier generates income. Faceless YouTube channel operators use Pika Labs to generate custom AI video footage for their channels instead of relying on stock footage that every other creator is using. The result is visually unique content that stands out in crowded niches. Freelance video creators use Pika-generated clips to produce content for clients without any filming equipment or production costs. The free tier includes a generous monthly credit allocation that covers the needs of a creator producing 3 to 5 videos per week. Specific income example. A faceless YouTube channel in the science and space niche uses Pika Labs generated video clips as background footage for a channel that reaches 20,000 subscribers within 6 months and generates $1,500 per month in YouTube ad revenue from a production workflow with zero footage costs. Tool number 7. ElevenLabs Free Tier. ElevenLabs is an AI voice generation platform that converts written text into professional human quality voiceover audio in seconds. Here is how the free tier generates income. The free tier gives you 10,000 characters per month, approximately 10 minutes of finished audio, which is enough to produce one complete YouTube video voiceover per month at no cost. As your channel generates income, you reinvest a fraction of it into the paid tier for higher volume. Freelancers use ElevenLabs Free to produce voiceover demos for clients before upgrading to handle the full workload. The free tier includes access to all standard voices with commercial use rights on paid plans and non-commercial use on the free tier. Specific income example. A new faceless YouTube creator uses ElevenLabs Free Tier to produce their first 2 videos, generates their first $50 in YouTube ad revenue, and uses that revenue to upgrade to the paid tier, which covers the cost of producing 10 videos per month. The entire operation bootstrapped from zero to self-funding in under 60 days. Let's bring this home. If you could only start with 3 tools from this list today, the answer is straightforward. Start with Claude Free Tier to produce your scripts and content strategy. Use Canva Free Tier to build your lead magnets and thumbnails. Use CapCut Free to edit and publish your first videos. Those 3 free tools cover the entire content production pipeline from idea to published video at zero cost. Every other tool on this list adds to and amplifies what those 3 build. The income from a free AI tool stack is not limited by the tools. It is limited only by the consistency and focus you bring to using them. If this video showed you that you do not need a big budget to start building AI income, hit the like button and subscribe for new videos every week. Grab the free AI tools cheat sheet in the description. It lists every tool from today's video plus the paid upgrades worth considering as your income grows. Next week, we are going deep on exactly how to build a $10,000 per month business using AI tools, including the exact stack, the exact income model, and the exact timeline based on what is actually working right now. You do not want to miss that one. See you there.